Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best bread basket. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Breadbosses Banneton Proofing Basket. Among the best proofing baskets that you can get on Amazon is this product from breadbosses. It's an appropriate tool that should whip you up perfectly round loaves. As described by its more than 5,000 rave reviews, this round proofing basket is 9 inches in diameter and 3 inches deep, letting it accommodate 5 pounds of dough at a time, made with natural rattan cane material. This proves to be an effective tool for making a crispy round crust. Why? It has natural properties that make it easier to remove the dough. Furthermore, this brat form also has lovely spiral ring patterns on it for French artisan-like results. Impressively, this particular product can accommodate recipes that use flour, salt, yeast, and water. Plus, it's also capable of proving overnight. Just make sure to enclose it tightly with a cover bag. This affordable proofing basket is certified German food safe as well, so you can rest assured that you will be making healthy artisan bread every time. Pros: natural rattan cane material, German food safe approved, French artisan-like results, affordable. Cons: gives an off smell. Number 2. WERTIOO 10-inch bread proofing basket. When it comes to the proofing task, this product from WERTIOO is our best bet. After all, it has all the packages to get you started, from the bread lame and dough scraper to linen liner cloth. Keep this bread proofer in an easy-to-reach spot, and you will be all set for the bread baking process anytime. This Banneton proofing basket, measuring 10 inches in diameter, is the perfect size for baking your favorite bread at home. Having traditional spiral ring patterns, this bread-shaping basket lets you end up with European-style loaves. We're also impressed with the fact that it's purely handmade. It's also free from dye and chemicals, having been constructed with natural rattan materials. Plus, it won't produce mold that easily. This basket is designed with comfort and convenience on top of mind. Add to that, this product has a smooth surface and is easy to clean as well. All in all, this proofing tool offers impressive functionality, all at an affordable price tag. Pros: handmade craftsmanship, natural rattan materials. Package includes bread lame, dough scraper. It is easy to clean. Cons: rattan may splinter. Number 3. Sugas House 9-inch round Banneton basket, highly rated and economically priced. The Sugas House 9-inch round Banneton is the essential proofing basket for home or bakery use. This round proofing basket is made of rattan and domes smoothly to the base of the basket, molding your bread to a perfect spherical shape. The 9-inch size is appropriate for most home baking projects and average-sized boule loaves of bread. The additional cloth liner makes the dough less likely to stick to the basket after proofing and easier to clean after use. It's recommended to flour the basket to keep the dough from sticking to the bowl. After use, brush the remaining flour out of the crevices of the basket with a dry brush. You want to build up a light coating on the inside of the bowl or liner after multiple uses, so washing is discouraged. We tested this with a 1-pound loaf of bread. Although it could have accommodated a larger loaf, the dough rose beautifully with easy-to-score skin and didn't stick to the basket. Our test Banneton came with a free silicone bread scraper with a card that congratulated us on winning it, which was a nice extra since scrapers are always handy to have. Pros: good size for a variety of breads. May include a silicone scraper. Reasonable price: 906x 906x 15 inches. Cons: rattan may splinter with use. Number 4. Germain Bakery 10-inch premium oval Banneton. Oval Bannetons are used most often for Italian loaves and country-style loaves that are typically longer than they are wide, with one large steam vent scored lengthwise down the center. They're also popular with fruit and seed-stuffed dough. Ultimately, it's a matter of preference, but if you're looking to make bread that's more uniform down the length of the loaf, the 10-inch oval proofing basket is the place to start. The Germain Banneton is crafted to be completely smooth inside without splinters or staples to snag on your dough. As with many proofing baskets, This included a linen liner for smooth proofing and release. During our testing, we did find a few loose fibers on the proofing basket, but they were easily removed before the first bake. The tall sides made this great for fitting any standard-sized loaf you could want, and the liner fit the basket like a glove and didn't create any odd crease marks on the final loaf. While we did see the loose fibers, the overall quality is very high and our tester felt this should last you through many loaves. Pros: great size for oval loaves, sturdy flat base, basket is high quality and should last a long time. Cons: did find loose fibers during testing. Number 5. Tenel Chua bread proofing basket set. Sometimes you want a round loaf, other times, an oval country loaf. With this rattan Banneton set, you can have both loaf shapes, plus a handy metal dough scraper for shaping and lifting your dough and a lame for scoring your dough just before baking. Both proofing baskets come equipped with fabric liners for easy cleaning and years of use. The classic lame comes with 5 additional blades and a blade cover for safe storage. We tested both baskets using a single batch of dough with a 2-pound yield, 1 pound for each basket. The round basket lived up to expectations, creating a great space for your dough to rise. Our home tester did note that there were rough edges in the oval basket. If you use the liner, that shouldn't be an issue, but if you don't, you'll have to keep an eye out for loose fibers. These also could have made slightly larger loaves. Our baskets were slightly smaller than the expected dimensions, which can happen with handmade products. What we like: great kit for novice bread bakers, includes 2 basket shapes, includes a lame and metal dough scraper. What we don't like: dimensions might be smaller than expected.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.